Hi, welcome to Press Play Picture House, and today we're going to take a look at some Schleich Animals. First is this very lovely rhinoceros, and do you like its horn, or its horns on the top of its head? They're very nice, and its ears. And I like this curly tail, kind of like a pig's tail, and the very realistic nostrils. Let's zoom in somewhat and have a look and see if we can get a better look at the face. So it's got a very sensitive face. I think those eyes and the nose, the mouth, it's kind of like an artist's subject. Very nice. So there is our rhinoceros, and there is our rhinoceros from the other side. So let's pop him over here, and we'll bring in animal number 2, which is this lovely zebra. I've always loved the look of the zebra. The question is it a white horse with black stripes, or is it a black horse with white stripes? Leave that in the comments below. What's your reasoning? Which way do you think that the animal actually is? And very cool looking animal, the zebra. Got the mane on top, and the hooves, the tail. Very cool looking animal. Let's pop our zebra over here. Next we have a baby elephant. Let's zoom in on our baby elephant so we can see it in more detail. So it's got this trumpeting trunk and the big ears, very tough skin of an elephant, and of course kind of a happy looking face, ready to have a drink. And there is our baby elephant. What did you think of the baby elephant? I think the baby elephant would probably like to be in the water somewhere. Okay, so next animal we have is a lion. So this is the male lion. The easy way to tell whether a lion's male or female is this lovely mane that the male lion has. Obviously looking very fierce. Let's zoom in a little bit on that fierce face. We'll have a look. There we have that magnificent lion's mane. Where do you think would be a good spot to put our lion? Maybe up here might work well. There we have our lion. Okay, so next animal is this magnificent hippopotamus. Have a look at those jaws. That is quite a smile. Okay, I'll have a look from this angle first. I'll zoom in. It's like a big rodent, isn't it? From that angle. Let's have a look at our hippo's mouth. We'll zoom in even further. What a beautiful shot of that hippopotamus. And look at those teeth. Do you think this hippo needs to go to the dentist? Looking good. Okay, I think our hippo would probably like to go in the water as well. So we might pop him over here. And we'll bring in our next animal, which is this magnificent flamingo. And it is looking pretty cool. Usually the flamingo is on one leg, but this one is both legs on the ground. I'll just expose a bit differently so we can see that pink flamingo. Okay, let's zoom in a bit on our flamingo. We'll have a look. So what feature do you like of the flamingo? Is it the pink look? Is it the long tall legs? Is it that beak? It's a very distinctively shaped beak. What do you like about the flamingo? Cool, so there is our flamingo. Let's move on to the next animal. So next we have this lovely chimpanzee who is looking magnificent. Hands above his head. We'll zoom in a little bit so we can see him a bit better. And pretty cool chimpanzee, really. Let's have a look at the chimp's feet. We'll zoom in a bit more and have a look. There we go. You can see that it uses its feet to climb in the trees. It's very well adapted for being in trees. And its hands also very well adapted for being in trees. And looking magnificent is our chimp. Okay, let's put our chimp up in the tree where chimps like to go. There we go, there's our chimp up in the tree. Okay, next animal is this huge elephant, looking very good. Got the tusks, the trunk, big ears and eyes, huge body, huge feet with those big toes, elephant's tail, looking very good and pretty similar from the other side as well. There we have our elephant. So our elephant will probably like to go in the water as well, so pop the elephant in the water. Okay, next animal, we can zoom in because we do have a baby ostrich here. A very nice looking ostrich. A bird that can't fly, the old ostrich. It's a bit like an emu if you're in Australia. Okay, let's zoom right in on our baby ostrich and have a look at what we have. Looking pretty good there. Very nice. Okay, let's zoom out and get our next animal. How about this? So I think this might be an alligator. Is it an alligator or a crocodile? Leave that in the comments below. Do we have an alligator or a crocodile here? If you're really smart, you can say why. Why do you think it's an alligator? And why do you think it is a crocodile? Leave that in the comments below. Let's zoom in. Oh, have a look at those big sharp teeth and eye, and then the scaly skin of this very dangerous reptile. Looking good. Okay, our next animal. Crocodile will probably want to go in the water as well. Next animal is this baby panda. Gotta be happy to have a baby panda in the collection. So let's have a look at the baby panda from a few angles. There we have the very sweet face of the baby panda. Last animal for today is a lioness. So we did the male lion earlier that had the mane. Here is the female lioness, and she is looking superb, isn't she? Let's have a look from that angle. Good. Zoom right in on our lioness's face. How about that? There we go. Looking beautiful. Okay, so if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment below, don't forget to subscribe to Press Play Picture House. Click on the links for more videos. See you next time.